Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to reboot or restart force hard set of your iPhone if it's frozen or even not frozen, to refresh your iPhone. So first of all, we have got here volume up and down button, so we press volume up here, volume up and then down, and then we press the side button. Press for 5 or 7 seconds till you see the Apple logo. Just keep pressing and then release, and then your phone will be gradually rebooted, restarting. This is how to force restart or hard reset your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Bye.